The key messages for students is there will be an individualised learning programme that will cover a wide diversity of STEM, science, technology, engineering and mathematics qualifications. So under the normal traditional route of education, you would come and you would choose a course, and that would be the course that you would then follow. Under the NSETC model, you would choose your main programme, but then you'd have a diversity of enrichment programmes to choose from. So you may come in and choose, for example, computing as a chosen main subject, but you then may look at marketing, or you may look at media as additional supporting qualifications as part of your main programme of studies. Let's have a look at some of the actual programmes that are going to be running at the NSETC. We've been looking at things like IT practitioners, and that's going to be looking at modern technologies in computing and the future emerging technologies of computing. We'll also be looking at business and business entrepreneurship, and that is our key to working with employers. We then look at things like social media, and then we look at things like industrial software design and gaming, as those are two very large emerging markets that employers and therefore students need to be looking at in terms of developing. When we look at things like enrichment though, it would allow students to study AAT, for example, which is an accounting qualification, but also probably one of the biggest areas of growth in the UK at the moment is industrial automation and industrial robotics. So what else we need to think about is from the learner's experiences, how else are we adding value through the NSETC? One of the biggest selling points I think from a learner's perspective is the fact that engagement with employers is one of the key fundamentals. When we actually look at it, what actually makes success in future employment, and that is actually understanding what employers are looking for. And therefore one of the key benefits of the NSETC is throughout all of our programmes of studies we have an engagement with employers. We have mentors that support the students in terms of developing their skill set for future employment and or further studies at higher levels.
We've got two exciting opportunities for engineering. We're moving into civil engineering for the first time. Links really well. I think there's a lot of development going on in the North Somerset area. So a big chance for young people to take a look at planning to full inception of building. Looking at how construction methods work and how we transport materials and different material concepts as well. We're also offering motorsport. It's quite an exciting area for us, links very well to the STEM agenda, the design of traditional motor cars to making them to top performance. It's one of the biggest growth areas in job opportunities. I think it's about 50,000 job opportunities we're looking forward to put into young people into. For the motorsport, we are working with Go Rally West. We're also working with Castlecombe Race Circuit, offering us some great opportunities to work with Formula Ford and their rally provision. A great chance for some of our young up-and-coming mechanics to work with their mechanics, so that should be very good. And for civil engineering, we've got a raft of local businesses with Midas, with the Lights Homes, Atkins as well, where we can hopefully place young people in industry to get some real-life experience.
The NSETC is an exciting new model of education which is very STEM focused, so there's very much an emphasis on science, technology, engineering and mathematics. We're looking for students who are interested in a very business focused model of education. What differs about this particular college is that students will engage in a full business working week, so they'll be expected to attend Monday to Friday, 8:30 till 5, and they'll come in business dress. He'll have a lot of links with employers, and that's one of the exciting things about this model of education, is that we've got some fantastic employers on board. In particular, we've got North Bristol Trust, an NHS trust that is a key partner in this development. Our students will have the opportunities to use their specialist facilities. They'll have mentorship from specialist mentors, and will have high quality work experience.
We offer quite a diverse range of A-level courses at the college, all with the focus of enabling students to go on aspirational career pathways. The A-levels that we've picked are often described as the Russell enabling courses, the sorts of enrichments that universities, employers want to see. So it will be a much more hands-on curriculum, a much more dynamic curriculum, something that actually students can really get their teeth into and will really inspire them to take science further. We'll be offering the traditional science courses of biology, physics, chemistry, alongside an applied course in science, which is 3 different pathways. Students can either follow to a medical route, a forensics route, or straight through with an applied science. We'll also offer a single certificate in science worth 1 A-level, so we have quite a diverse range. Science with the North Somerset Enterprise Technology College is going to be something really special. We are going to offer a quality curriculum that ensures that students not only achieve top grades, but the level of sort of careers advice and guidance, because all too often science is full of ologies that students feel almost overwhelmed with where do they go. What we'll offer is exposure to just a range of different pathways. So they may come in thinking they want to be an ecologist, but by the time they leave, maybe botany or pathology or ichthyology or something else captures their interest and allows them to move forward into a very specialised area of science.